Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do subscription boxes, we do product hauls and reviews, we do advent calendars this time of year. Just a really good time, and I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Guys, don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on. It will be linked in the description box down below. It is for Glamour Jewelry Box, and it does end on December 10th. Now, for today's video, I'm really excited. This is a much anticipated video on my end, and it's a new video for our channel, and that is the Life's a Wave beach box subscription. So I am so excited to get in here and see exactly what is in this November 2020 box. First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Life's a Waves. It is a new box to our channel. Beach themed subscription box bringing the beach lifestyle to you. It's a monthly box filled with beach, ocean, mermaid, and sea life themed goodies like home decor, self-care, candy, shells, candles, soaps, and so much more. It is perfect for anyone who loves the beach, and every month the box will have at least 5 to 8, if not more, goodies. Plans do start as low as $45 a month. I will make sure to put a link down below in the description box along with a promo code if I have one. Doesn't do anything for me. It's just to save you guys a little bit of money. But let's get in here again and see what we have for November 2020 with Life's a Wave. So it is taped up really well. It's almost like busting at the seams, like it's packed. So let's see what we've got. All right, so when you open it, it is tissue paper, and I see stuffing in there. Let's see. So here we have a Life's a Wave sticker, and it talks about that they are eco-friendly. So love that. And then we have some more information. Oh, it's a little note. This is awesome. That's so sweet. Oh. And then let's see. Oh, okay. So we have a product card. That's awesome. This is the Magical Beach Box is the theme. And it talks about how they work with the Turtle Conservancy. I love that. All right. So the first thing, whoa, okay. We're gonna talk about presentation in a moment. But the first thing that I see is this beautiful card on top. Is that not just absolutely gorgeous? It's getting very cold here. So I would love to be right there right now. It does come with an envelope, and I'm assuming it is blank inside. Oh, I just cannot get over that, y'all. That is just so beautiful. Yes, it is blank inside. So you've got a card for any occasion. A beautiful card for any occasion. Let's see if it talks about that anywhere on the card. Handmade card was made especially for you to send to a family member, friend, or frame and hang on your wall. This is a stunning photo of Santa Barbara's beach at sunset. Okay, y'all know, if you have been with me, that I am a stickler for presentation. And I'm talking about, like, when I know good presentation, I'm like, yes, on point. And this box is a yes on point. Are y'all ready? Look at the sea glass and the shells and the candy. Like, oh my goodness. This is just absolutely beautiful. So let me get all of this off so we can go ahead and see what lies beneath. All right, so I got all of the like white shreds off, and so we have some blue and white striped candies. We have some looks like chocolate in here, and then of course the sea glass and the sand dollars, and then the gorgeous shells. So let's go ahead now and dive into the actual goods of the box. Something smells fantastic, so we're gonna find that. All right, so I think I found the source of the amazing smell. Yes. And it looks like we have 2 shower steamers right here, both in Ocean Breeze, which I love shower steamers. They smell phenomenal and they are so gorgeous. Do y'all see how beautiful these are? Oh, with the gold and it's got like glitter. Oh, I love it. Let's see what they say about those. Oh, I do see here it talks about the candy, and this is there. It's actually chocolate covered caramel. Yum. All right, after a fall beach stroll, there is nothing like a warm shower. This ocean breeze shower steamer with aroma of essential oils will release into the steam of your shower. Made by the fun small business Bath Bomb City just for you. Breathe and relax. I know I definitely will because it smells so good. All right, so let's see. We have got something right here. What is this? Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is a nightlight. It is so pretty with the seahorse. Already has the bulb. That is so pretty. Light up your beautiful carved cowrie shell nightlight, if I said that correctly, and bring the magical beachy glow into your home. I know just where this can go. That is so beautiful. I love that. All right, and then we have got something else wrapped up. So let's see what this is. All right, Hep's Salt Co. Cooking salt. It is the season to sprinkle this magical yummy sea salt from Hep's Salt Co. on your favorite dishes. So literally sea salt. How appropriate. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is so appropriate for this time of year, but it is so beautiful and beachy in my opinion. It is, so it's like a head warmer, but it is like shiny. Like there literally is silver thread going through it, making it shiny. So with the blue, oh, this is so beautiful. Let's see. While at your magical fall beach, our mermaids will look so pretty in this ocean blue, soft and warm crystal headband from at Top It Off. So yes, and it is so very soft. Oh, I love that. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, this is, oh my gosh, you guys look. So it's like not really a wind chime, but this is driftwood, but this is so beautiful. All right, let's see. Hang this magical driftwood nautical garland beach decor as another reminder of your love for the beach. I love it. I love because it obviously is beachy and driftwood and everything, but with the way this shell is painted, kind of that distressed, that actually works because we do live on the coast. We're only about 15 minutes from the beach, but I kind of have more of a farmhouse decor happening, but I think I know exactly where I can put this and it will still work because of the distressed, especially this side is really distressed looking. I love this. Beautiful. All right, and then we have something right here. Mermaid Scales. So it looks like some really pretty glitter, like a beautiful color. Tis the season to sparkle up with this magical turquoise glitter to sparkle the evening away. And it is from at Mermaid Scale USA. So it's like a body glitter. God, it's so pretty, the colors. All right, and it looks like we have one final item, which is wrapped up very nicely. Their presentation is stunning. All right, and this is Messages from the Mermaids, a 44 card deck and guidebook. Let's see. Magical mermaids are the elemental guardians of the sea. In today's world, we need to stay grounded and ride the waves. These beautiful Messages from the Mermaids tarot cards are a magical, watery wisdom that will guide you and warm your heart. So that is really interesting and fun. All right, so we have the tarot cards. We had the driftwood hanger that is stunning. We have the sea salt. We have the beautiful nightlight. The shower steamers that smell so good. We had the candies, like the chocolate covered caramels, and then I'm not sure, these are probably going to be more of like a maybe blue raspberry. And then the gorgeous headbands to keep our noggin nice and warm, and the beautiful, just absolutely stunningly beautiful card. So I think this was fantastic, y'all. This was amazing. Like, everything is, I mean, you can use sea salt. You know, it's getting wintertime. We need something to help keep us warm. We got that. We got something just beautiful. Who doesn't need a nightlight? Who doesn't need the driftwood and the shower steamers? Oh my gosh, y'all. That's all I smell right now. They smell so good. So I think everything was great. I loved this box so much. Thank you so much to the owner for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. Guys, let me know what you thought down below. I thought it was a fantastic box. I am a little partial because, like I said, I do live near the ocean. I grew up here and I love the ocean. So, but let me know your thoughts again down below. A special thank you to my channel members for your support. It means so much to me and I greatly appreciate it. Guys, being here and watching the videos, commenting, I appreciate all of your support, every single one of you. I love y'all. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.